everybody, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah, I've got something. Oh boy, I've got Asha dry noodle. Hello Kitty and friends. Hello Kitty Mandarin noodles with Supercute soy sauce. Yes, I do. Here is what the package looks like. Look at all the friends. Just look at that. So, you take this, and what is it, 3 minutes? 3 minutes. So you take this, and you open this, and there's a sachet right there. And you dump this in at least 4 cups of boiling water, it says. And you cook it for 3 minutes. Boil, boil, boil. There it goes. It's boiling right now. So my daughter is a really big fan of Hello Kitty. What a shock, right? But yeah. This should be cool. Thanks to the folks at ashadrynoodle.com for sending this over. That's where you can find this stuff. It's neat. There's 4 different varieties. There's the Hello Kitty soy sauce, My Melody scallion, friendly scallion, I think. Karapi, which is a little frog guy. The Karapi silly spicy, and then a Batsmaru boss sesame paste, something like that. So that, yeah, I'm really curious. I think they're all the Mandarin style noodle that they do. I could be wrong, but I think that's the deal. And so I'm gonna try them all. It's already just after 8. I'm not stoked on that. Remember those candies? Little mints, thin mints after 8? No? Like pillow mints? Who doesn't want a pillow mint? I do. I have a pillow. My wife has like 8 pillows. She really likes the pillows, you know. Yeah. 1 sachet. So you boil them, you drain them, you add that in, stir it on up, add whatever you like to it, and there you go. That's my plan. These noodles are thin enough that 3 minutes goes pretty well. A lot of the Taiwanese dry noodle varieties are much thicker, way broader. So they've got a bunch. Asha makes a bunch of different gauges. So yeah, I think their noodles come from Tainan. I think they're not sun dried. I'm pretty sure. I think what they use is they manufacture them. They go in these little trays, and then they've got like a big warehouse full of fans that dries them out. That's how I've seen it done in Tainan before. It could be made. No. In Tainan, I saw the sun drying. In Taichung, I saw the more industrial way of doing it with big fans. That was pretty cool. I miss Taiwan. I really miss Taiwan. It's an amazing place full of wonder and happiness. At least for me, I loved it there. I really want to go back. I want to move there. I want to move to Taiwan. I like it. Not only that, I mean, it's like you can hop on a flight over to Hong Kong, boom, hop over to, well, I don't know about Hong Kong, because I think it's trickier to get there nowadays, but not in so far as distance, but in so far as like customs and all that stuff. But I'd really like to go to, yeah. But every time I've been to Asia, I've had to at least go through Taiwan. And I don't want to go through there. I want to stay there. I've done it a couple times and it's been fantastic. So here's your dry noodle. What do you mean dry noodle ramen, Reader? It got boiled in water. Well, yeah, but I mean, it doesn't have broth. That's the idea. I'm pretty sure. These are the new pots I got my wife for her birthday, and I really don't want to scratch the bottom, because that's a good way to get in bad with your wife, is to scratch the niceness on the pots. Okay, I'm just going to be careful then, because this doesn't seem to be working. Normally I'm going to go, okay. I know somebody's gonna say you could use wooden chopsticks, Ramen. Yeah, that wouldn't really work all that well. I'm not so good. I ain't so good at the chopsticks. Well, the moment of truth. Is it just a cute licensing ploy to make you buy it, and the noodles are horrible? I really tend to doubt it. But let's find out. Cheers. Nice strong soy flavor. Nice chew to the noodle. Definitely representative of Taiwanese dry noodle. Boop. That's easy. Easy peasy. Here's what we're gonna do. Put this here. I'm going to show you what I like to do with my dry noodle. This is what I like to do with my dry noodle. Yeah. So we pour it in there. Now on the image it showed an egg, which is perfect because I love egg. And I made some this morning. I made some lovely soft-boiled eggs. I don't know how soft they're going to be. I guess we'll find out. Oh, that one looks weird. What's wrong with that egg? It's a bad egg. Hey, don't get pushy out there. It's happy fun time. It really is happy fun time. I don't want to make a... come on. God, eggs are like guinea pigs that don't want to get picked up. Hey, stop making all that noise out there. You're making me make noise in here. Well, then sit down. Well, shove him off. You're a big kid. You hear what I contend with, ladies and gentlemen? You hear what I contend with? Oh, sounds like Miles is getting a timeout. Then be nice to your sister. And yes, a little bit of pepper flake. Oh, I'm giving this to Mimi. Might have to just make her some fresh for lunch. 'Cause there's plenty where this came from. Oh boy. It's a 4-pack, I believe. So, I'm like doing this while looking through a viewfinder. Pardon my ineptitude with I've got viewfinder finger. That's yummy. I'm really impressed with these. I knew they were going to be about like this. That's a plus. All right. Well, that's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Get yourself some kitty noodles. Go over to ashadrynoodle.com and check them out. All right. Bye-bye.